up next match. Because our next contest is scheduled for one fall. And it is a 6-man tag team elimination match.
Oh yeah!
Introducing the team of Aries Alexander, the Realtor
On reality!
Dempsey and Ryan Willow.
Making his debut just after all our You know what we're gonna do? Hey, you know what we're gonna do? Please sweep. We're gonna eliminate all three at the same time. Alright? What do you mean? Get down here. I'll show you what.
And their opponents.
What's up, people? You know what? I'm too angry to start. What if you start? Me too. You start.
Everybody has.
Go get him, bro. Come on. You got it. You got it. You know two of them punch the other one.
So what happened?
If they're not guilty, what are they hiding? Huh?
Holy guys, the holy guys are down. We're down, the holy guys. We're gonna party now. We're gonna party.
Don't clap time, Tommy. Yeah, get him, you kid. Yeah, get him, you guy. Yeah.
Hey, watch the hole, man. Watch the hole. Yeah. Yeah. Bring it on. Bring it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Wrestling, baby. Bring it. Clean sweep. Yeah. Wait, that's not what I meant. Oh. How does he move?
That's what's up.
Come on, Ryan. Okay. Rope, walk. Yeah! Whoa, how do you do that? No. Come on, Ryan, get no! Easy, man, easy. Ref, time out.
There is no time. No, what are you talking about?
Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Okay. Okay. You good? I think Pantene over here wants to go. Or Garnier, what's that in your hair? Oh, I got it? Are you sure about that?
Somebody get in the ring.
All right. All right. Whoa, you!
What? What me?
Say your ABCs backwards. I saw you drinking earlier.
That was me.
Huh?
See, somebody help me out.
Oh, come on.
Why? The next one's why?
As in, why am I in here with a drunk?
Hey, come on over here. Party.
That's your decision. Not
I got a better one for you. Do this, give it. This test. Oh, walk in a straight line. I ain't wrestling to your coherent, pal. Look at that. Straight line. Give me that.
All right.
Huh?
You gotta watch me really close.
Go ahead. Really close.
All right, really close. Really close.
Really close.
Yeah, really close. Okay?
Watch him.
Hold on, get a little closer.
What do you mean? What am I looking
Get a
at?
little closer.
Wait,
It's right there. It's right there.
Straight into that one, didn't we? Hey, back off.
Watch there.
That's right, baby. Close fist. Get your ears open for this one. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. I got him now, baby. Yeah. Oh. Around the world we go. Yeah. Yo, Ref, I got some hair on me, man. Hey, look, man. Hey, look at this, man. Got hair on my wrist, man. I got hair on my wrist, man. Whoa. That's right, fellas. Now, it's off with his head.
You gotta pay attention now, baby. Come on.
Off with it. Oh. Yeah. Damn right on her. Get him there. What are you doing? No. Making noise going on.
There's a difference, dog.
Difference. There's a 5 there. Come on, shake it. See? I'm a good guy.
What, bro? Why are you poking holes like that?
Work smarter, not harder. How does that work? Bring him over here. Right here.
I'm pretty sure you waited.
Hey, Ref, what's up, man? It's time for a stampede. Hey, Ref, your turn. Come on, let's line up. Time for a stampede.
Here's my core.
Oh, right here.
Fresh do something. Look at people.
His mask was too tight. I was checking. He's just a child. Sir,
Thank you.
I apologize.
It's in his name, dog. It's in his name. unnecessary W is like
Thank you!
Dempsey, do a flip.
No! Come on.
Hey, you got this. Come on, John.
Come on, kid! Show me something, huh? Come on. That's what I thought. Now, we're not done with you yet.
Come on, dog.
Get.
Ted.
Oh, yeah. Oh, power.
That's the power of protein.
Yes, sir. Counter run. Dang it.
You got this, dog.
It's the child's bedtime. Stop.
Come on, get on.
Just like
What the heck
that.
are you doing anything on that side anyways, bro?
You know what? I ain't done with him. I ain't done with him. Or you want? You or me, pal? Yeah. Give me some of that little punk over here.
Come on, kid. I'm gonna put it at the corner.
You know what? He likes to fly. I'll show y'all. Nice try. Yeah, he's done. Whoop. Where are you going?
Ted.
You know what? Hold it. Hold it. Get it. Yeah. Show him, new guy.
That's all you. That's all you.
He's checking his mask. Oh, come on.
You want another one? One more? One more?
Ryan Willow has been eliminated.
We want up. We want up. We want up. We want up.
Bring on your next best guy, dog.
Come on, Dempsey.
You know what? Yeah, you get it. I want a big man. I want a big man right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, that this is a tag team elimination match.
You got this.
Now, hold on. Hold on, there he is.
Is the winner.
I haven't had a taste of Big Man. Give me him. I'm gonna chop him down to size. Come on, show me what you got. Show me what you got, huh? You know what? I'm gonna take him. You take him. I said you take him. You take him. You take him. You. Get in here. Look, you listen to me. I'm the captain. You know what? Both of us. No! I'm kidding. Keep the camera out of my face. No! One more time.
grab me again.
You were in the way.
The Juggernaut, Josh Galvin, has been eliminated.
Come on, Drunky. Show me something. Come on. Now you look here.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now 2-on-1.
I took on Big Man, you take him out.
All right.
I got a pen right here.
Get him! Get him, Aries! Get him, Aries!
All right. How about a little test of strength there, guy?
That's the strength. Get him!
Aries Alexander has been eliminated.
All right. We don't have our partners anymore, pal. Let's go.
That's right.
There we go. Come on.
And that's reality!
And the reality is you're screwed, Vato.
Oh, yeah, Vato? Give me your best shot, Vato.
All right.
Get off of me! Shit! Huh? Smarter, not harder!
Do flip.
There's your flip. Come on. What do you mean that was 2? No. That was 3. That's it. This drunk is going on probation. And that's reality. Get out. Let's go. To the pay window, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Till we meet again, Neil Dempsey.
He needs a breathalyzer. That man's crazy. All right. Okay. Maybe I need a beer after this one. Stop looking at me.